Hey, what's up folks? If you're looking for the best countertop dishwashers, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best countertop dishwashers options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which countertop dishwashers is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Comfee 5L Portable Mini Dishwasher. Best Value Countertop Dishwashers. The Comfee 5L Portable Mini Dishwasher, model CDC17P0ABB or CDC17P0AWB, is a popular countertop model known for its convenience and portability. It is well suited for small spaces like apartments, RVs, and dorms. However, its limited capacity and potential long-term reliability issues are recurring concerns among users. Easy setup with no plumbing required. The most significant advantage is the built-in 5L water tank, which allows for manual filling and placement anywhere with a standard electrical outlet. It also includes an adapter and hose for an optional direct faucet connection, efficient cleaning for small loads. The 360 degrees dual spray system effectively cleans dishes. Number 2. Comfee 6L Countertop Dishwasher. Best user-friendly counter dishwashers. The Comfee 6L Countertop Dishwasher is highly rated by users for its compact size and effective cleaning, especially for single people and small households. It is praised for its portability, quiet operation, and the option to fill the 6L built-in water tank manually, eliminating the need for a direct plumbing connection. Some models also feature an auto-open drying function and a UV hygiene program. Number 3. Hava R01 Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Best Sanitizing Countertop Dishwashers. The Hava R01 Compact Countertop Dishwasher receives positive reviews for its excellent cleaning performance, quiet operation, and ease of use, especially for 1 to 2 people. Reviewers praise its ability to produce results comparable to a full-size dishwasher, though its compact size can be a downside, and it's not truly portable due to its weight. Some users find its capacity limiting for larger or non-standard dishes, and the 17-inch width can take up significant counter space. Effective cleaning. It cleans dishes very well, including hard-to-clean items like tall bottles. Quiet operation. The machine is very quiet during operation. Easy to set up and use. Setup is straightforward, and it can connect to a faucet or be filled manually. Versatile detergent options. It can use various types of detergent, including pods, tablets, liquid, and powder. Number 4. Magic Chef Portable Countertop Dishwash. Easiest to schedule countertop dishwasher. The Magic Chef Portable Countertop Dishwasher is a compact, Energy Star rated appliance designed for small living spaces like apartments and dorms. The most commonly referenced model is the Magic Chef MCSCD6W5, which offers 6 place settings and connects to your kitchen faucet with an included adapter. Number 5. Black Decker Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Best Design Countertop Dishwasher. For users in small spaces such as apartments, RVs, or dorms, the Black Decker BCD6W Compact Countertop Dishwasher is a well-regarded option that offers effective cleaning in 7 different wash cycles. It is praised for its ease of setup and quiet operation, though some customers note potential issues with the included hoses and overall durability. Cleaning performance. Many users report that the BCD6W cleans dishes thoroughly and effectively, leaving them spotless, even on shorter wash cycles. A review on Top 10 Reviews confirms the top-notch cleaning results. However, a few customers mention that heavily soiled dishes may need to be rinsed first to ensure a complete cleaning. Ease of use. Setup is generally described as simple and straightforward, with a quick connect assembly that attaches directly to a kitchen faucet. Number 6. Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Best countertop dishwasher. White. A water tank. For those living in small spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs, the Farberware FDW05ASBWH portable countertop dishwasher is a popular and convenient appliance that cleans dishes effectively. Users praise its easy setup, quiet operation, and versatile wash cycles. However, some note its limited capacity for larger items and subpar drying function. Dual water supply can be filled manually using the included 5-liter pitcher for full portability or hooked directly to a faucet for continuous water supply. Compact design. The small footprint is ideal for limited counter space. At just over 17 inches in height, it fits under most standard kitchen cabinets. Cleaning cycles includes a variety of cleaning programs such as heavy, normal, eco, speed, and baby care. Some models may also offer fruit and air refresh cycles.